Today I am going to discuss about the maximum power transfer theorem. This theorem is used in the MATLAB programming, and that programming is mostly used in the battery industries to know the internal resistance of the batteries. In this, we know the formulas of current and power. Current equal to V Thevenin by R Thevenin plus RL, and power equal to I square into RL, and we substitute the I value in the power formula, so we'll get this V Thevenin by R Thevenin plus RL of I whole power 2 into RL. So we assuming that V Thevenin equal to 12, R Thevenin equal to 2, and RL equal to 4. And we here it is the MATLAB programming involved in this. We have to write like this. To clear the previous programming, we write the CLC clear in the first line. And V Thevenin equal to 12, it is given in this, and colon R Thevenin equal to 2. Here it is also mentioned in the previous page. Colon, and we have to use the for loop in this, and I equal to 1 is to 41. We have to plot the graph between power and load resistance. So we have to start with the point 1 and end with the load resistance equal to 4. So we have to plot the graph between 1 to 4 load resistances. So we have to write like this. For loop I equal to 1 is to 41, and RL of I equal to I star 0.1 minus 0.1 colon. In this, we have to substitute the highest I value in this. So, I equal to 41 star 0.1. So, it is 4.1 minus 0.1 equal to 4. So, our load resistance is equal to 4. And we are also discussed about power formula in the previous page, and power equal to V Thevenin by R Thevenin plus RL of I whole power 2 into RL of I column. And this this for loop ends with the end, and plot the graph between load resistance and load power, and this program ends with grid. Here it is the programming. I don't write the CLC clear because it is the new folder. New programming starts with the new file. So I don't write the CLC clear and starts with V Thevenin equal to 12 colon R Thevenin equal to 2 colon, and for this programming starts with the for loop, so we have to write the for I equal to 1 is to 41, and RL of I equals to I star 0.1 minus 0.1 colon, enter. And we also know the power formula as PL of I equal to V Thevenin divided by R, and R Thevenin plus RThevenin plus RL of I and whole bracket of RThevenin plus RL and whole bracket of I and I square అంటే I power 2 into 2 star RL of I. Colon. And this program ends with this loop ends with and plot the graph between R L comma P L and ends with grid. We have to run the program. This is the result of this program. We have to plot the graph between load resistance and load power. This is the conclusion of this programming.